Dr. Amy Sapola, Director of Pharmacy with an F at the Chef's Garden, and today I'm making a sweet potato bake. Sweet potatoes are one of my favorite things to eat. They're so versatile and there's so many different things you can do with them. In our book, we even have a recipe for a raw sweet potato salad and sweet potato ice cream. There are so many different types of sweet potatoes as well. We grow between like 4 and 6 different types of sweet potatoes every year. You'll see here we have a creme brulee, which is actually a white sweet potato. We also have purple sweet potatoes, which are gorgeous. So you can see this beautiful purple flesh. And then of course, there's the traditional orange sweet potato as well. So with this bake, I went ahead and tossed everything in some olive oil and some butter. So I melted the olive oil and butter in the microwave just for a few seconds, just to get it nice and melty. And then I took all of my chopped potatoes and just tossed them just to get a nice even coating. When you go to cut the potatoes, there's a few different options. So of course there's your trusty knife, which you can always use, and is one of the most simple ways to cut the potatoes. You can also use a mandolin, which I have here, or if you are like me and have a meat slicer, it is awesome for slicing veggies, and you can set your thickness so you can get them nice and evenly cut. So whatever tool you have, this is possible. Just trying to cut the potatoes nice, even slices and putting them around the pan. So I put some salt and pepper in with my butter as well, just to go ahead and season it. And my oven's preheating to 350 degrees. I'll put this in there for about 30 minutes or so, covered with foil. And then when I take it out, I'll remove the foil and we'll bake it a little bit hotter, around 430 degrees for about 20 more minutes. So now I'm just adding in the center here. And I try to do it in little stacks. And then you just kind of push them over. You can organize them. This is a great place to use herbs as well. So when I finish this, I'll put some thyme on here, or you could use rosemary. You could also put some garlic on, but any herbs you have, sage, would all pair really well with this. Of course, cinnamon's always great with sweet potatoes as well. And this is a pretty big skillet. All right, so we'll go ahead and stick this in. The other thing I love about sweet potatoes is that they're high in fiber and rich in vitamins and minerals, potassium as well as vitamin C, and lots of antioxidants that come from the phytonutrients. In the orange sweet potatoes, you'll have beta carotene. In the purple sweet potatoes, anthocyanins. So really lots of nutrients in sweet potatoes. When you look at the purple and the white, these ones are a little bit drier. The orange sweet potatoes have more moisture. So these, the purple and white, will cook more like a traditional potato. It looks beautiful. You can see it got nice and crispy on the edges. You see the caramelization. So I'm gonna grab some flaky salt as well as some garlic. So we'll just take the garlic and press it through the press real quick, as well as some flaky salt and a drizzle of olive oil. We also have thyme microgreens, so they're beautiful to add some color and flavor. We'll put those over top. And then of course, our flaky sea salt. All right, so that is our sweet potato bake. I'm Dr. Amy Sapola. Thank you for joining me in my home today. You can find this recipe and more on farmerjonesfarm.com, and you can find us on YouTube.